Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are on the move. We're actually, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're in Caitlin. We are on the move. As if you would have seen the last video, you would know that we are expecting to take delivery of the new 6.8 liter solid block common rail Cummins for the drag truck, the new drag truck engine, which is just awesome. It's supposed to be coming today. I was actually heading to my father's shop, which is where it's going. The reason we're heading there is because, well, he's got equipment. We can unload it in a proper fashion with some pallet forks and all that. And actually, I was driving there, and it was about 3 o'clock when I got off work, called Dad. Hadn't heard nothing yet. It is now 4:15. I think they gave him like a 4-hour window. You know how they do that kind of dumb stuff. It's 4:15, and they actually called me. They were given the wrong number, so I directed them to my father so they could talk to him. But we're actually en route to there now. I wasn't sure if we were going to be able to make it or not. If they came earlier, we wouldn't be able to see it, all that kind of stuff. Not that there's anything to see. We'll probably just be pulling a crate out of a truck. I don't know, but yeah, so they called me. We are indeed getting our engine today. It's showing up. It's probably not going back. No, there's no probably. It's not going back to the garage in the house right yet, because we're going to need equipment to get it off the trailer there. Yada, yada, yada. We're just not ready for it. I don't have the room. As you guys know, the garage is a mess. But anyway, next thing you know, we should be at Dad's shop and receiving our Freedom Racing Engine's engine for the drag truck. I'm ecstatic. This is awesome. I can't wait to run this thing, really. I'm just so ready. So anyway, guys, let's get to the shop. Well, there she is. The engine's in the shop here. Got it off the truck. I was kind of cut off there at the end. Was getting here close to the shop. I saw the truck was here, and yeah. So anyway, we got it off the truck. We're gonna unbox it, or kind of open it up and make sure everything's okay. For the most part, it looks pretty good. We do have a little nick here on the oil filter housing, but that's no big deal. So yeah, we'll get to open this thing up and check out the new engine, make sure everything is copacetic, and yeah, very, very exciting to finally have the engine here in Pennsylvania. Yeah, now I just need to get the cage done, get this thing in there, and yeah, we'll be down the boogie. So yeah, let's get this engine opened up and check her out and make sure everything's all right. All right, so the engine is uncovered. Everything looks good. We got a couple spots where it had a little contact, but nothing major is bad. As you guys can see, I did decide on a valve cover. We went with a black valve cover from D&J Precision Machine with the Freedom Racing Engines cap. It's still just a standard Cummins oil cap. They just have that cover on there, so you can get it nice and in place. But anyway, everything looks good. Have a couple questions on some stuff. Definitely going to be a while till we're able to do anything with the engine. We still have a lot to do with the cage and all that. But yeah, everything is looking good. It's pretty, that's for sure. So hopefully it performs as it should and as it looks. I just don't know what to say. I mean, I'm just so happy to have this here. Ready to go home and get in the truck, but the truck is unfortunately not ready. But yeah, definitely stoked to have this thing back in my possession. So guys, we are back at the house, back in the garage. The engine's here. It's at Dad's shop. I really didn't get much there. Really just got it out, checked everything over, made sure everything was okay. There's a couple of little scrapes on the paint here and there, but nothing major, just on some protruding parts. But everything's good. I'm so excited to have this thing. I am so ready to get this thing in this truck. I have a lot of work I got to do, but once again, reinvigorated on it. I mean, I've been working as much as I can on it, and that is going to continue, so we can hopefully get that thing between these frame rails here shortly. It's been a lot longer process doing this cage and all, like I said in the previous video, but it's all going to be worth it. It's all stuff that needs to be done. We're trying to take safety as a #1 priority. In the past, we didn't. Pretty much we had a lap belt running a 1018 and a helmet, and that's no bueno. So we really need to focus on this cage and get it done right. And I'm just ready to get this thing in a track. I can't wait to take this thing down to Cecil for a test and tune and just see what she can do. There's still a lot of things that need done. Man, I don't know how long it's going to take. So at the shop there, like I said, we got it out, went over it, just made sure everything was okay. I did a little bit of a video there, but really Dad was there, some other people who were around that were not really a fan of the whole camera thing. So didn't really record anything, just started talking to them about the engine. It's not normal, let's just put it that way. I'm sure we'll have a lot of conversations at the track when people are asking, you know, what is this thing? And then when you start explaining it, there's going to be even more questions, and that's fine. I'm all about talking to people. It's great to see people interested in the diesel trucks, especially, you know, something like this. I always enjoy that at the track. Take the truck down, run a nice pass, and then pull it up, look at the data or whatever, and people come over, what is this thing and why does it do that? Well, I'm hoping we're going to get even more responses like that with this new setup. It is going to be gnarly. So anyway, guys, just kind of delivery of the engine. Once again, I am stoked. I am so stoked. This thing's going to be gnarly. It's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of learning. I mean, first time we take it to the track, maybe we'll make 2 hits, and if we're lucky, I mean, it's going to be quite the learning curve. This is all brand new to me, but I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride as usual, so we're all going to learn together. So anyway, guys, before I end it, big shout out to Hardway Performance, Ryan Milliken, the owner of Hardway, you know, the guy with the green Nova. He's who I dealt with for our fueling setup and our computer setup, our breakout tuning wiring harness, you know, getting that all squared away. So big shout out to him and those guys for helping me out, figuring out exactly what we want to do. Basically, our fuel system in this truck is going to be the same as what he runs in that car. So that's pretty awesome. And then another shout out and huge thank you to the guys at Fleece and Freedom Racing Engines. The thing looks phenomenal, looks better than I thought, and once again, so ecstatic that that we have the engine. Definitely feel like we made the right choice. But anyway, guys, I'm rambling again, and I'm going to try and get a little bit of work done to the truck. It is getting late. It is a school night for me, but I need to get some more cage work done. So anyway, guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll check you guys on the next one. Get out in your garage. Get the wrenching on your truck.